Hare Krishna. Welcome back to our Swadhyaya online reading retreat labs presents Power of SAP, the Gateway to Spirituality program. In this, we're started with the Gita daily series and Srimad Bhagavatam daily series, and we're continuing with the chapter number 16 last time. It is finished. Now we're going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 18 today. So in this again, we'll be very specific verse. We'll be reading 18.22, 25, 32, 58, right? So let's me go to the 18.22 first. Chapter number 18 is referring the perfection of renunciation, right? So let me go to the Bhagavad Gita as it is first. Chapter number 18 concludes on the perfection of renunciation in this 18.22. Translation and the purport. Translation. And that knowledge by which one is attached to one kind of work as the all in all without knowledge of the truth, and which is very meager, is said to be in the mode of darkness. Right? Yeah. Purport. The knowledge of the common man is always in that mode of darkness or ignorance. Because every living entity in conditional life is born into the mode of ignorance. One who doesn't develop knowledge through the authorities or scriptural injunctions has knowledge that is limited to the body. He is not concerned about acting in terms of the directions of scriptures. For him, God is money, and knowledge means the satisfaction of bodily demands. Such knowledge has no connection with the absolute truth. It is more or less like the knowledge of the ordinary animals, the knowledge of eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. Such knowledge is described here as a product of the mode of darkness. In other words, knowledge concerning the spirit soul beyond this body is called knowledge in the mode of goodness. Knowledge producing many theories and doctrines, but into mundane logic and mental speculation, is a product of the mode of passion. Yes, so we see that he is one who doesn't develop here in this proper says that, once again read it. One who doesn't develop knowledge through the authorities of scriptural injunctions has knowledge that is limited to the body. He is not concerned about acting in terms of the direction of scriptures. For him, God is money, and knowledge means the satisfaction of bodily demands. Such knowledge has no connection with the absolute truth. It is more or less like knowledge of the ordinary animals. The knowledge of eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. Such knowledge is described here as the product of the mode of darkness. In other words, knowledge concerning the spirit soul beyond this body is called knowledge in the mode of goodness. Knowledge producing many theories and doctrines by dint of mundane logic and mental speculation is a product of the mode of passion, and knowledge concerned only with keeping the body comfortable is said to be in the mode of ignorance. So now let's read it from Gita for Daily Enrichment Series 18.22. Is materialist monomania missing a life? Our life is becoming increasingly dominated by machines, mechanistic thinking, and mechanical behavior. Machines. As technology pervades our life, we spend more time with machines than with people. Even when we spend time with people, machines encroach frequently. The thoughts of the ringing of the cell phone or the beeping of a message are rarely far away from our minds. At home, the TV often receives our attention more than our family members. Mechanistic thinking. The more we interact with the machines, the more that interaction trains to make our thinking mechanistic. We extrapolate subconsciously from our experience with machines and expect conscious people to function like mechanical entities that respond predictively to standard inputs. When people fail to behave according to these expectations, we turn off from them. Over time, our relationships become at best superficial and unfulfilling, or at worst disrupted and wrecked. Mechanical behavior. Our mechanistic thinking also makes us mechanical in our own behavior. We act like robots, run by stimulus response programs, allured by seeing a new gadget, tempted by seeing sexuality appealing from, and so forth. We feel frequently scintillated, rarely satisfied. Our brain cells fire continuously, but our heart remains dead to deep, fulfilling emotions. Such a materialist monomania, the Bhagavad Gita 18.22, indicates is representative of knowledge in the mode of ignorance. Those with such knowledge mistake one fragment of reality, the material level in our case, with the full reality. Beyond the material level lies the spiritual level. Awaiting us, there is a real life of authentic emotions and genuine reciprocations with Krishna and through him with everyone. If we wish to stop materialist monomania from messing our life, Gita wisdom stands ready to guide us along the journey from ignorance to transcendence. We'll read the translation once again. And that knowledge by which one is attached to one kind of work as the all in all without knowledge of the truth and which is very meager is said to be in the mode of darkness. So I think we will stop here. So we'll just mark this. We do not have any difficult word today for this verse. Let's mark it as a green and go ahead. We'll stop here. Hare Krishna. Jagat Guru Sri Prabhupada ki Jai.